अस्सलाम गाइस। आज हम एक्सरसाइज 1.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज सोल्व द इक्वेशंस बाय कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड। कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड के लिए सबसे पहले हमने देखना है 7x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0। कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड के लिए आपने हमेशा याद रखना है एक्स स्क्वायर या वेरिएबल की डिग्री पर जहाँ 2 हो पावर, उसके साथ कोफिशिएंट हमेशा 1 होना चाहिए। कोफिशिएंट will be 1 and second is will be पॉजिटिव। अगर पॉजिटिव ना हो, नेगेटिव हो, हम माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे या फिर कॉमन ले लेंगे। और अब लेंगे 7 कॉमन, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2/7 एक्स माइनस 1/7 इज इक्वल टू 0। 7 प्लस 2/7 x minus 1/7 is equal to 0 and next x square plus 2/7 x। हमेशा आपने याद रखना है कांस्टेंट को हम वन साइड पर और वेरिएबल को वन साइड पर रखेंगे, एक साइड पर। अब x के वेरिएबल के साथ जो भी कोफिशिएंट कांस्टेंट होगा वो हम लेके 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। जो हमारे पास आंसर होगा उसका स्क्वायर लेकर हम दोनों साइडों पर ऑन बोथ साइड्स वी विल ऐड प्लस 1/7 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1/7 प्लस 1/7 स्क्वायर। नाउ we will complete the square by this method that square here is 1, square के बगैर ये टर्म और square के बगैर ये टर्म और साइन ये वाला x के वेरिएबल के साथ जो साइन होगा वो अगर प्लस हो प्लस, माइनस हुआ तो माइनस। 1/7 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1/7 प्लस 1/49 and x plus 1/7 square is equal to LCM 7 times 49 plus 1 x plus 1/7 square 8/49। we take square root on both sides। is equal to 8/49। ये कैंसिल होगा स्क्वायर एंड अंडर रूट कैंसिल, रिमेनिंग विल x प्लस 1/7 is equal to 8 2 into under root 2 and here is 7। x is equal to 2 into under root over 7 minus 1/7। We take LCM again, 7 2 into under root 2 minus 1 x is equal, this is our part number 2 है ax square plus 4x minus a is equal to 0 and this will be x square plus 4/a x minus 1 is equal to 0। x square plus 4/a x and is equal to 1। this is 4/a multiplied by 1/2 2/a square we add on both sides 4 over ax plus 2 over a square is equal to 2 over a square plus 1, and this will be x. Here is plus again, plus 2 over a square is equal to 4 over a square plus 1. X plus 2 over a square is equal to a square 4 plus a square. We again take under root. Square root on both sides. 4 plus a square over a square. This will be x plus 2 over a 4 plus a square under root over a, and finally our answer is 4 plus a square under root over a minus 2 over a. We take LCM. 4 plus a square minus 2. This is our answer. Here will come plus and minus, plus minus, and here will also plus minus and plus minus. Now part number 3 is 11x square minus 34x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 34 over 11x plus 3 over 11 is equal to 0, and x square minus 34 over 11x is equal to minus 3 over 11, and कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स इज 34 over 11 विद माइनस. हम माइनस भी ले सकते हैं और नहीं भी, इसलिए कि हम लेंगे स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव में चेंज होगा. 34 1 over 2. This is 17 plus 17 over 11 square on these sides and plus 17 over 11 on these sides. Now x, here is minus, we take minus 17 over 11 square equal to minus 3 over 11 plus and 289 over 121. We take LCM. 121 minus 33 plus 289, and 121, and this is 257. X minus 17 over 11 square, and now again we take under root on both sides. X minus 17 over 11 square and plus minus 256 over 121 under root. Now this will be cancelled. Remaining is x minus 17 over 11 is equal to plus minus 16 over 11. We write x minus 17 over 11 is equal to 16 over 11, and x minus 17 over 11 is equal to minus 16 over 11. X is equal to 16 over 11 plus 17 over 11 minus इधर आके पॉजिटिव होगा 11 16 plus 7, and answer will be, this will be 33 and 11. X is equal to 3, and now x is equal to minus 16 over 11. Minus will be plus over 11. 11 LCM minus 16 plus 17. 1 over 11 x. And answer will be x is equal to 3 and 1 over 11. This is our answer. Part number 4 is L x square plus mx plus n is equal to 0. X square plus m over L into x plus n over L is equal to 0. And x square plus x is equal to minus n over L. We take m over L multiply by 1 over 2. Remaining will plus m over 2L square plus m over 2L square. And x plus m over 2L square is equal to minus n over L plus m square over 4L square. X plus m over 2L square is equal to minus n over L plus m square over 4L square, with x plus m over 2L square. We take LCM. 4L square minus 4nL plus m square. We take square root on both sides. Plus में x plus m over 2L is equal to plus minus m square minus 4 nL over 2L, and x is equal to minus m over 2L plus minus m square minus 4 nL over 2L. We take LCM. Minus m plus minus m square minus 4 nL. This is our answer. Part number 5 is 3x square plus 7x is equal to 0. X square plus 7 over 3 into x is equal to 0. Take x square plus 7 over 3x. 7 over 3 multiply by 1 over 3. Answer will be 7 over 6 square plus 7 over 6 square on both sides, and x plus 7 over 6 square is equal to 7 over 6 square. We take under root on both sides. X plus 7 over 6 is equal to 7 over 6 plus minus x plus 7 over 6 is equal to 7 over 6, and x plus 7 over 6 is equal to minus 7 over 6. x is equal to 7 over 6. ये इधर जाके minus 7 over 6 होगा, and this will be cancelled. Answer will be 0, and x is equal to minus 7 over 6. ये इधर जाके minus 7 over 6, minus 7, and minus 14 over 6. Answer is x is equal to 0 and minus 14 over 6. Part number 6 is x square minus 2x minus 195 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x is equal to 195. Here is negative, दूसरा भी जाकर पॉजिटिव होगा. 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. Answer will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. And will x minus 1 square and will be 195 plus 1. This is x minus 1 square and 196. We take under root on both sides with plus minus. X minus 1 is equal to plus minus 196. Plus minus 14. X minus 1 is equal to 14 and x minus 1 is equal to minus 14. X is equal to 14 plus 1. This is 15 and x is equal to minus 14. Minus 1 will be plus 1 and answer will be minus 13. X is equal to 15 and minus 13. This is our answer. Part number 7 is minus x square plus 15 over 2x is equal to 7 over 2x. Now first of all we minus x square minus 7 over 2x plus 15 over 2 is equal to 0. We make coefficient of x square positive, we multiply with minus. This will change into minus x square minus 1 over 7 over 2x plus 15 over 2 is equal to 0. With minus all the sign will change. Negative sign will change into positive and positive will in negative. Plus 7 over 2x and minus 15 over 2 is equal to 0. And this is like other questions. 15 over 2. Here is negative, दूसरा भी जाके positive होगा. 7 over 2 multiply by 1 over 2. This will be 7 over 4 plus 7 over 4 and here will also 7 over 4. X plus 7 over 4 square is equal to 15 over 2 plus 49 over 16. We take LCM. 2 8 times are 8 multiplied by 15 120 plus 149 169 over 16. And here is x plus 7 over 4. We take under root on both sides. This will x plus 7 over 4 is equal to 13 over 4 with plus minus. X plus 7 over 4 is equal to 13 over 4 and x plus 7 over 4 is equal to minus 13 over 4. X is equal to 13 over 4 minus 7 over 4. Take LCM. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6 over 4. Answer will be 3 over 2. And here x is equal to minus 13 over 4 and minus 7 over 4. Minus 13 minus 7. answer will be minus 20 over 4, and this will be minus 5, and answer is 3 over 2 and minus 5. This is our answer. And part number 8 is x square plus 17x plus 33 over 4 is equal to 0. X square plus 17x is equal to 33 over 4. This will be 17 over 2 plus 17 over 2 square. Answer will be x plus 17 over 2 square and minus 33 over 4 plus 289 over 4. Take LCM. 4 minus 33 plus 289. This will be 256 over 4, and x plus 17 over 2 square. We take under root on both sides. With plus minus. This will be x plus 17 over 2, and this will be plus minus 16 over 2. X plus 17 over 2 is equal to 16 over 2, and x plus 17 over 2 is equal to minus 16 over 2. X is equal to 16 over 2 minus 17 over 2. Take LCM. 16 minus 17 is equal to minus 1 over 2, and this will be x is equal to minus 16 over 2 minus 17 over 2. 2 minus 16 and minus 17. This will be minus 33 over 2. Answer is minus 1 over 2 and minus 33 over 2. This is our part number 9 is 4 minus 8 over 3x plus 1 is equal to 3x square plus 5 over 3x plus 1. We take LCM. 4 into 3x plus 1 minus 8 is equal to 3x square plus 5 over 3x plus 1. This will be cancelled. 12x plus 4 minus 8 is equal to 3x square plus 5, and 3x square plus 12x square minus 4. This is 12x and minus 12x plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 2 square minus 3 plus 2 square. Adding on both sides by dividing by 1 over 2 by multiply by x minus 2 square minus 3 plus 4, and x minus 2 square, and this is 1. We take under root on both sides. X minus 2 is equal to plus minus 1, and x minus 2 is equal to 1, x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 1 plus 2. X is equal to 3. And x is equal to minus 1. This will be plus 2. X is equal to 1. These are answer. Okay, part number 10 is 7 into x plus 2a square plus 3a square is equal to 5a into 7x plus 23a. 7. We simplify first of all this equation. X square plus 4a square plus 4ax. This is square formula of this form. Plus 3a square is equal to 7 multiplied by 35 ax plus 115 a square. Now 7x square plus 28a square plus 7 for 28 a and x plus 3a square minus 35 ax minus 115 a square is equal to 0. This will be 7 x square and 28x and minus 35 ax. This will be minus 7 ax. This will be 28a square and 3a square is 31a square minus 115a square is minus 84a square is equal to a square, and x square minus ax minus 12a square is equal to 0 by dividing by 7. Now x square minus ax is equal to 12a square. Coefficient of x is a, multiplied by 1 over 2 is equal to a over 2 square plus a over 2 on both sides. X minus a over 2 square and 12 a square plus a square over 4 48 a square plus a square is equal to 49 a square over 4. X minus a over 2 square, we take square root on both sides. X minus a over 2 is equal to plus minus 7a over 2. This will x minus a over 2 is equal to 7a over 2, and x minus a over 2 is equal to minus 7a over 2. This will be x is equal to 7a over 2 and minus will be changed into plus a over 2. We take LCM. 7a plus a, 8a over 2, answer is 4a. And next, x is equal to minus 7a over 2, this will be plus a over 2. 2 minus 7a plus a is equal to minus 6a over 2 and minus 3a. Answer is 4a and minus 3a. This is our answer. We have completed this exercise. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you don't subscribed before. Please like, share my video. Thanks for watching.